What's up, beautiful people?
Hey guys.
We just landed in Chicago for Penelope's 18th birthday trip. We have a little bit of a tradition where whenever the kids turn 18, they get to have a little bit of a one-on-one trip with mom and dad. And so Penelope chose Chicago because it has a killer Chinatown. We've already done New York and we've done San Francisco, but Chicago Town apparently has a really good one. And we're staying not too far from there. And so we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, now we're here. Let's go.
We're gonna get some dim sum, get some boba, do some shopping, of course, some shopping. All the fun stuff is
Y'all said shopping in unison like, that's what we're here for.
It's gonna be so much fun. So outfits of the day, we're wearing some cute little dresses. Penny's in a really cute little black one here, little black dress. Little kind of maxi dress, Milo. Steven's wearing some black as well.
All black.
All decked out in black.
Lovely, we're ready for dinner. Let's go.
Scoot.
Why, thank you. This elevator could fit our whole family.
It really can.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's a very large elevator.
This is my new power. How do you like that?
Oh my gosh, that feels really good.
That does.
Oh, we should buy this. Dad's turn. Your head's
like
too big.
Ticklish. It's like ticklish.
High-end. This
2005. You're a rooster.
Our little rooster girl. Little red, right? Little red hen?
Yeah, little red.
So a storm is blowing in.
This is crazy.
And it's starting to sprinkle. Get
crazy.
really, really windy, so we're trying to
get a hotel fast.
get back. We've got like 3 more blocks.
We need to go.
It's starting to rain.
No,
Oh no! Come on back, slowpoke. Oh my gosh! I ate too much dim sum to be running this fast.
Birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
A lot of rain, guys. Jeez.
We're not even all the way to our hotel, but it's pouring down now.
How far are we down there?
We got like 2 more blocks to go.
Oh my god. But we're gonna wait.
Oh god. I ate too much dim sum to be running like this. Made it.
Let's just drop all
my shit.
So.
Oh wow. Okay. Well, unfortunately, we did not make it back before it started raining.
Oh my god.
You're like soaking wet too.
This is like special. Remember now.
I know, a special memory. Penny was like, "This is fun."
Wait, I know all 3 years is like 1 in lap.
We'll never forget. Never forget. It's like, there guys like, did you get caught in the rain? We're like, no, we jumped in Lake Michigan.
Well, pretty much the same thing at this
Pretty
point. We were
close,
like
yeah.
soaking.
I'm like, we drag it through everything.
Yeah.
They're like, we'll just put a wet floor sign in.
Yeah. So it's day 2 of our Chicago adventures. We are headed. We're over by the river right here, which is so beautiful. And that's so pretty.
It was so pretty. The water, the building.
It's gorgeous.
It's so pretty.
I love this. I love this city so much. It's just really, really beautiful. So one of the first things we're gonna do today, since we already had coffee and breakfast, so we're fully charged and ready to go, is we're gonna go see the Bean. Penny's never seen that. And then we are gonna go back over to Chinatown and walk around and do some shopping, since shops will all be open now that it's not super late at night and all of that. And so we're just gonna have like a leisurely day, just kind of walking around, doing some shopping, having some girl time.
We're going to buy a little scooter.
Yeah, we're gonna go see if we can find a scooter and kind of ride it around. I didn't realize that in this area of Chicago, you can't do scooters. But I know that as we make our way closer to Chinatown, we'll be able to do that.
We will, yeah.
You really wanna do the scooters, though, right?
I do, I never try. I was like, that would be fun, you know?
Yeah, that will be fun. Okay, so let's go do it. Chocolates. Nice.
Chocolate.
That's so
World's
sweet, Penny.
finest chocolate.
That was so sweet.
We're here at the Bean, the Millennium Bean in Millennium Park. It's so freaking cool. Like, it's just a big mirror ball that looks like a bean.
It looks like weird, but also cool.
Of all the things for a city to be known for, a bean. But it works. It's so cool. It's like
Cool bean.
really fun. Everyone's here.
Maybe that's where they get the phrase cool beans.
Cool bean. Satisfying.
That is the coolest boba I've ever seen.
Look at that. Look at
So
that.
pretty.
Oh, it's a pretty.
We got ourselves some pretty boba.
So pretty.
We're calling this trip Penny's 18th birthday tour of Boba.
Tour of Boba, yeah. I guess.
All the food. It's just a cuisine tour.
Eating and drinking our way through Chicago, Chinatown.
We got a lot of good stuff,
So
okay?
good, yeah.
These are so cute.
So cute.
I love how the style is.
Yes.
Work out stuff. Ooh, less weird. Look,
That brown sugar's really good.
That's just good Boba too. I like this one.
That's cute.
I watched you guys.
You do?
I saw you. I was just watching you guys the other day. I was like, wait, why she look familiar? And I saw you. I was like, that's Penny. I love watching you guys. You guys make me so happy. That's awesome. I love you guys.
We're so excited. We got to meet Kelly. She's running this awesome shop.
Yes, come visit my shop in Chicago. Cute bag.
So cool.
So fun meeting subscribers.
Give me your cash.
Give me the cash.
Get one of these.
I think those are so crazy feeling.
I'll pay for it first because I
They
feel like it's
tickle
weird
me
that it's like,
more than anything.
oh wow.
我人生中遇见了2次贵人。
Wow.
pretty. You like it?
That's cool, yeah.
I like it. That's
I
pretty.
do like that.
Easy.
Roasted garlic oyster.
Garlic oyster. Whoa.
Or
That's a unique flavor.
Italian red meat.
Okay.
Or cucumber. That's crazy. Oh, they have that. Oh my god, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
This noodles from my hometown.
I've seen you buy this before, and I've seen you buy this brand.
We could fit one of those in the bag.
This is
Yeah,
the
that's
one
a
that
good
you asked
one.
me.
Yeah, I
This
like
one.
it.
Okay, so we decided to take some bikes back to our apartment.
In New York.
And I'm a little bit nervous to do this in public. It's like riding a bike. This should be easy, right? You guys ready to go back?
When's the last time you rode a bike?
I don't know, it's been years, I think.
Wow.
Wait, we did it for a second at the beach like last year.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully this is, I'm not gonna film this because I wanna stay alive, but we're gonna ride bikes back. It's gonna be fun.
Where's Mom?
But she's way back there.
We're doing pretty well. Let's go. All right, that was good. There we go.
Nice.
We did it!
We did it!
That was fun! It was fun. It was really fun.
A little nerve-wracking, I think.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels good outside.
It feels
but we
so good, and
need to
it's
go
such
jump in the pool.
yes, it's such a different view too. Like getting to see downtown on a bike is so cool.
Yeah, I'm glad we
love
made
it.
it before it was like totally dark.
And that it didn't start raining.
Yeah. Oh God. Today was no rain, no.
It's been a perfect
super hot
day.
weather.
It's gorgeous, man.
It was a perfect day. It was a perfect day. Let's go get the pool.
Let's go.
Have fun. They're gonna do the swings today.
Hats, glasses, backpacks, and purses behind the red line in the center of the
You okay there?
Dizzy.
Yeah, I think we're okay. It's like so dizzy around.
It looked like you had fun though.
All right, guys, we made it to the airport. It's been a pretty awesome little few days, I think. Just
It's fun. It felt
celebrating.
like going by so quickly.
It did go by so fast.
It's so fun. I love it.
What was your favorite part so far of the trip?
Like probably for the special memories. Like we all went to the rain.
Running in the rain.
In the rain.
Definitely a
That was-
memorable thing for sure.
That was a fun one.
Yeah, I think I really liked the bikes. I really liked lunch today was delicious.
All the food was
All the food
delicious.
All
was-
the food
it wasn't.
All
We
the
had like
boba.
65,000 bobas
Oh
while we
my
were here.
gosh.
Maybe not that many, but it was a lot of
Like
boba.
5 or 6.
Yeah, we got a lot of boba, and I think my most dish is a Beijing duck.
The Beijing duck was
Duck
so good.
It's so good.
Absolutely.
Yes, so good.
Well, we're about to get on the plane, but can't wait to see the kids, and we love you guys. We're so thankful for you guys watching. We can't wait to see
Thank you for watching.
For Penny's 18th birthday
Yeah.
trip. 1 week and she's gonna be 18 years
Oh
old.
my
18, that's crazy.
gosh.
Crazy. So exciting.
I'm still a little kid, no worries.
She's always gonna be our little kid.
Yeah.
Always be my little girl. Love you. We love you guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back